This is a DIY sprinkler which I bought it from Pune store. The problem of the sprinkler is that there is a slit in the top which you can see. Due to that, there is a lot of water clogging in that area. The radius of this sprinkler is around like 6 to 8 foot, which you can see. It's only good for small areas like garden, lawns, etc. It's not recommended for farming. Aesthetic wise, it looks good. Still, if you want to buy, you can go ahead. I've connected this sprinkler to a well motor. Still, it's not able to give me that much output. It just look good. I got the sprinkler for around 250 to 300 rupees from Mr. DIY. But if you are a farmer, kindly do not buy this. Personally, I don't feel it's not of much use, as you have to shift it from many places, or you have to connect multiple sprinklers at a time. You get a local sprinkler for around less than 100 rupees, and also covers a range of more than 10 foot, 8 to 10 foot, or more than that.